Hi there, lovely viewers, and welcome back to Record Speaks. I hope that you'll be fine, enjoying, and enjoying your life. Today, we are diving into a topic that can transform your living space in exciting ways: room divider ideas, room partition ideas, and room separator ideas. If you are looking to create stylish and functional zone in your home, you have come to the right place. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring decor content. And here, if you have got some ingenious room separation ideas of your own, I cannot wait to hear about them in the comments below. Let's get started. First up, let's explore some creative room divider ideas that not only add privacy but also infuse character into your space. Imagine this: an open bookshelf serving as a whimsical partition between your living and dining areas. You get the best of both worlds: storage and style. And hey, if you're loving these ideas, give this video a thumbs up. Speaking of which, if you're finding these ideas helpful, why not hit that like button and share this video with your fellow decor enthusiasts? Let's spread the inspiration. Now, let's talk about incorporating nature into your room separation strategy. How about a series of tall, petite plants strategically placed to create a serene divide? Not only does this add a touch of greenery, but it maintains also an airy and open feel. What's your take on bringing the outdoors in? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm curious to know if you have any experience with natural element as room dividers. Leave a comment and let's have a discussion. Ready for some visual delights? Imagine hanging macrame screen that dance with the breeze, adding a bohemian charm to your space, or perhaps a geometric wooden divider that combines arts and fusion. These ideas don't just separate rooms, they elevate them. Which style resonates with you? Tell me in the comments. Your opinion matters. Let me know which of these visual divider ideas caught your eye. Drop a comment and let's share our design preferences. We are all about versatile solution, right? Well, check this out. Room dividers on wheels. Move them around to adapt your space for different occasions. Plus, they can double as storage and even display areas. If you are nodding along with these ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks for enhancing your living space, consider subscribing to our channel. We are here to bring you more decor inspiration every week. And there you have it, incredible room divider, partition, and separator ideas to redefine your living spaces. From creative bookshelf to room dividers, the possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Remember, your space reflects your personality, so go ahead and make it uniquely. So yes, my lovely viewers, let's have a quick recap of what we have discussed today. At first, we have discussed the creative room dividers. In this, we have talked about bookshelf and stylish partitions. And in second, we have discussed natural elements like potted plants as room dividers for natural feel. And at third, we have discussed visual delights. In this, we have discussed screens and geometric wooden dividers. And also we talked about flexible solution. In this man different things we have talked. And at last, I want to say something special. Thanks for joining me on this decor journey. If you love these ideas, don't forget to give this idea a thumbs up and share it with your decor loving pals. And share your thoughts and the comments. Until next time, stay inspired and keep decorating.